It's not compulsory, right?
Yes, it's not compulsory, but
Yeah, but
according to
you said
culture
it is a
means
culture.
yes.
Yeah. So culture
It's
is like provided to everyone. Everyone follows the culture. But then you told now it's not compulsory.
not. I mean, it's about Muslim peoples. They
Muslim
follow this
religion,
culture. Not everyone.
not everyone. But then what about the wives?
Why?
If the wife doesn't want to, if the wife doesn't want to, then how?
Uh, mm, but if
Because it's not. It shouldn't be a one-sided decision, right?
okay, so you mean that it should not be one-sided decision. Okay,
One-sided. Yeah, it shouldn't
so
be one-sided.
uh so my point is that something bad happens, then only this three times this man says
But then,
talak talak talak. No, so
yeah.
this is good because uh, if there will be nothing bad, means a wife will follow decision and support each other. So means a mutual understanding increases, right?
So yeah,
So
if it increases, how can you give a talak without anything?
I'm
You can
completing my
solve the
point. Sorry.
problems. Okay, okay. Sorry, sorry.
Yeah. So mutual understanding increases and both gets means same what we can say, same power to take decisions, right? And they both will think on one decision, and wife will
So,
support him. Okay.
so yeah. So became.
Yes, yes.
So I would tell you that when you are trying to give positive points, you're trying to give your negative points.
I'm
I,
trying to give positive, right?
yeah. So I would tell you that you told
What
that
was my
you told that we
it,
can give talak and talak gives mutual understanding, right?
no, not that.
Did you mean to
I
say that?
just said
Yeah.
no, 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 no. I just meant to say that talak, this fair, when we get it, then mutual understanding increases.
But
I mean this thing.
accordingly, if there was a talak, why it should be like on a genuine reason that talak should be on a genuine reason. It shouldn't be like
Yes,
today
right.
we fought and we give a talak, but it's happening all around the world like that. They fight for something, they do the talak and then they get married to someone else. What about that?
So that's what I'm saying. No, less the fight,
Yeah,
less the talak.
but if
This is
the
what the
fight
positive
gives
point.
talak, but but why is that talak kept? They can even solve the problem. No? They shouldn't keep only talak, triple talak. They can
Yes,
solve
they
the
can solve
problems. Like
problems. What I'm
everyone
saying
solves
about
problems. Yeah,
yes, the
everyone
same
solves
thing I'm
problem.
saying.
Everyone has fight. We fight. We have friends. We fight. They are parents. They fight with each other. But then there are some points where you can resolve it. So why is that religion kept it at? Why they have kept it only? They should stop it, na? Like if there is a dispute, you can solve it with peace and you can just talk with each other, solve it together. But why is there only that? Culture is
Ye-
why. Why is that culture over there?
So yeah, I'm telling, coming to that point.
Yeah,
So
then.
this is now we are talking about the real world, what is going on now. But in historical time, that time means women were not so what we can say, so powerful. Means they were not having so much power. So that we say no. की बायांना फक्त चूल आणि मूल सांभाळलं पाहिजे. So that's the
Ah,
same
yeah.
thing. So women should not speak more.
But
This is what
but
the
when that
uh,
but
his,
Yeah, okay.
of that whoever have written it means their
But if this point was
when
relevant when they were old, when you're talking about the old one, but now what is the point? It shouldn't be now. This was a tradition before, why is it now yet on? Why was it on as yet? They could have stopped it there if they knew. If it is a
yes
tradition that you told that it is olden times, they didn't have. But now women have equal power. You told women didn't have a power that time. They didn't have
uh,
power. Like they used to only do housework. But what about now? But now the women are everywhere. They are
so
equivalent to men. So
so
why
now
is it
this
yet?
so now the new law is made no for that. Now no
It's made
theory
now, right
talab
now. But before it wasn't there. What
no
about before?
now
This was fought. After this was fought, and then the law is brought.
so what
Why was it? Why did it take so much time? While
it was
marriages, there are
just
two families. They talk.
it
They talk to each other. They make their understanding to each other. But then, why does it come that they need to take talak? Why does that? Where does that understanding go that time?
okay so uh, you mean in his means previous time they should not take talak, right?
If no, I'm talking previous. You told about the ancient time. So I told after ancient time they had understanding. They used to get married on understanding, right? If two
Uh-huh.
families used to meet, they used to understand each other, everything. And now this time, this is the time where women have equal power. It's not this year started, but it is for many years going on. That women have equal rights in everything, and they are independent. Then why
Okay,
didn't it stop that time? And it took a long pause, and the law is come now. Why like that?
all right. Development takes place slowly, man.
India is
Slow.
developing for many years,
So
right?
this lot took place after means something development should happen, no?
Last
What
Right?
development? What development happened after this?
Alright. This theory talak means this was one side decision. Now it becomes two-sided, no?
No, I'm
Law
talking. How many years did it take? It took. You're telling it took development, but what development happened between that? What was the development,
bit
and when did, and how many years did it take
when
actually for
okay
triple talaq
when
to the
the
law to
women
come that it's not allowed?
when women realize that this thing is not good, then they complain about that.
But
But before
women knew it
all it
from
was
before. But
okay
why did the government? Yeah, yeah.
because कौन बोलते हैं?
last
हाँ
2 minutes.
Yes, sir.
क्या बोला? हाँ so carry on. Why you stop?
You were talking, right?
No, you were saying something, no?
Yeah. I told what development did it take and how many years. If you women knew it from very long time, it was not that it just came yesterday and became today. You told it took a development, some development. What was the
Okay,
development
okay.
about the
So
triple
so so
talaq?
so uh, I will give you an example. If you want to
Yeah,
stand in means you want to be leader of any town, so
yeah,
you don't need to be means directly you can't go there and be leader. You need to take vote of
yeah,
everyone, no? What
yeah.
others think about that and what religion will affect, what what it will affect on religion. Everything to be studied, man.
Everything to be studied. How many years did it take them to study? While they had women had equal rights even after we were born. Before we were born, women had equal right in everything. Did it take so many years for them? So many
Court
years
don't
only
have
to understand such small things.
okay. Okay. Court don't have just one case, man. Court have to
Yeah, so
follow
if they
too
don't
much.
have one case,
Huh.
would have to border too
Now
much. So does it take 20 to 30 years for each case? Each case?
now one by one and it need to be go to Supreme Court, right?
Yeah, Supreme Court. Yeah,
This
it went to
high
Supreme
court.
Court. It did everything. Yeah, then it went
Huh.
High Court. Okay, chalega.
High
So what do
Court
you
then
mean to say?
Supreme Court. So I
What do
mean
you mean to
one
say
by
like
one steps should be taken, no?
yeah, steps should be taken, but did it take so many steps for them? well, the religion was not giving that. You mean that women didn't get equal rights there that time? Matlab,
Mhm.
that meant the religion wasn't giving women the right. Did you mean that?
it, it was just mindset of
Of
previous means whoever have written this their manuscript and all that, they would have think about that, no?
they would
And
have think, no, I'm telling you, did they think that did the religion think that the women have no power?
yes, if you take it biologically, women are weaker than men. So men did it
No,
for their.
sorry. Wait. Women are not weaker than men. If I
Yes,
stop you, sorry,
no, no,
but women are
yes,
not weaker than men in any point.
Time up. Time up.
biologically, if I take
Time
it
up.
biologically, then
Time up.
okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just 15 minutes you have to speak on a particular topic.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Uh, Thank you, Manish.
Oh, thank you, Elvar. Yeah,
You both
Okay,
of
sir.
both speak very well. Thank you.
Thank
Okay. Actually, I'm not giving any score to you. Anyone's, not you. No anyone. No will get any score. Just want to be. I just want to try. You have to achieve something to speak well, to fight with others, with in the form of speaks or speeches. You have to know, you have to speak with your own knowledge, and you have to boost your stamina, and you have to don't afraid with others. That's why this type of a round is conducted here.
Sir,
So
one suggestion.
suggestions. Okay, suggestions required for three divorce. Actually, from my side, three divorce never happened for the community. That this have not happened for that community, because this doing unfairity with the ladies. That's why.
Yes, sir. I was saying that only. No positive point is there in that.
No.
But if we can, then we can speak with the positive too, Manish.
Yes, sir.
By
I tried
thinking,
my.
by thinking, we can prove
Yes, sir.
anything positively or negatively.
Yes, sir. I was trying that.
If there is a point in the market or in the world, then we can speak with that point positively and negatively as well, as if we have knowledge with that point. Otherwise, not. But actually, fact is that this not have to happen.
Yes, sir. Right.
As per thinking from the Hinduism or uh, others religion, but Muslim community not interested in this kind of a thing. Some of them. Okay.
Sir, now I and Manish have to wait for some other round, one more round, or we can leave the session now.
You can, if you want to interest, or if you have interest to listen others thoughts, then you can stay here. Pratik and Shardul, hello. Pratik and Shardul, Pratik and Shardul, hello.
Hello, sir.
Okay. uh, Topic is very good. uh, Everyone knows about this type of topic, and everyone have the knowledge about this topic. Okay. Constitution. Pratik, you have to speak with the positive points. Shardul, you have to speak with the negative point. You have to deny constitution, Shardul. Pratik, you have to accept the constitution. Shadu, deny the constitution's rules and regulations from your side. Pratik, implement that with the positive way. Start now. Pratik, Shardul, unmute from your side. Shardul, am I audible to you? Shardul, hello. Okay, I have to call after these sessions. Okay. Pratik and Shreyash. Pratik and Shreyash. Shreyash is not in the session, I think. Shreyash.
No, sir, he's not there.
Pratik and Danesh.
हाँ सर.
Pratik and Danesh.
Sir, constitution means घटना.
यस सर. मैं क्या बोलूं, पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव?
प्रतीक, आप हमेशा पॉजिटिव के साथ लिख दिया है मैंने आपको पॉइंट स्टार्टिंग से ही, तो आपको पॉजिटिव ही बोलना है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के ऊपर, संविधान भारत का.
हाँ सर, घटना मुझे पता है. घटना
संविधान देश के रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस जो बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर सर ने लिख के दिए हैं.
हाँ सर.
दानेश, आपको नेगेटिवली बोलना है.
हाँ यस सर.
हाँ,
स्टार्ट करूँ क्या सर?
यस स्टार्ट.
हाँ भाई.
अगर संविधान नहीं होता तो लोकशाही नहीं होती और राजा की तरह एक ही लोग सब लोगों पर राज करता.
दानेश, स्पीक विद द नेगेटिव.
संविधान रहता तो अब क्या?
संविधान नहीं रहना चाहिए, आपको ये बोलना है. हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो. क्या उसके पॉइंट्स
सर मुझे
उसके पॉइंट्स को अपोज करो प्रतीक ने जो बोला.
क्या बोला हो मुझे?
प्रतीक एक बार आगे.
अगर संविधान नहीं होता तो एक ही व्यक्ति सब पे राज करता.
दानेश उसको अपोज करो. हाँ दानेश अपोज करो उसको.
सर वो क्या बोला था फिर?
हाँ दानेश,
बोला
आपको
था कौन?
एनडीए ज्वाइन करना है ना, आपको प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगी.
सर वो क्या बोला था फिर? प्रतीक क्या बोला था सर, वो नहीं सुनाई दिया मुझे। तो कुछ बोल रहा है।
प्रतीक
अगर हेलो सर,
आप फिर से बोलो।
अगर देश में अगर देश में संविधान नहीं होता तो एक ही व्यक्ति सब पे राज करता।
शायद उसका
प्रतीक
नेट।
संविधान, आपको बोलना है संविधान होना चाहिए, हाँ एक ही।
हाँ सर।
हाँ मैं
हाँ सही है, आपने सही बोला। चलो दानेश अपोज करो जल्दी से।
हाँ सर।
सर वो क्या बोला वही सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है ना सर।
अरे देश
हेलो
में
सर।
संविधान नहीं होता तो ये दुनिया में एक ही व्यक्ति राज करता सब पे, ऐसा कुछ बोल रहा हो देश पे। लेकिन
हाँ सर।
संविधान है तो राज कर रहा है ना।
हाँ सर।
आप बोलो संविधान नहीं होना चाहिए, व्यक्ति राज करना नहीं चाहिए, कुछ तो बोलो। दाने संविधान मतलब नियम कानून कायदे जो सरकार बनाती है। दानेश, नियम कानून कायदे बोलो ना दानेश।
Sir, he is not speaking.
दानेश, हेलो दानेश,
हेलो।
हाँ बोलो ना। दूसरों को दो क्या टॉपिक?
Sir, he leave.
हाँ सर वो चला गया।
चला गया, ओके। आदित्य अनिल सूर्यवंशी और प्रतीक उमाजी पवार। प्रतीक आप पॉजिटिव,
Okay, sir.
आदित्य आप नेगेटिव। आदित्य अनिल सूर्यवंशी।
हाँ सर।
Okay, sir.
हेलो हेलो।
Hello.
हाँ बोलो बोलो।
अगर देश अगर देश में संविधान नहीं होता तो एक ही व्यक्ति पूरे देश पे राज करता।
हेलो सर।
हाँ
सर आप कुछ आवाज आ रहे हैं आर्यन का, अपना प्रतीक का।
आवाज ब्रेक हुआ उसका नेटवर्क इशू की वजह से, बट उसने वही क्वेश्चन पूछा जो दाने से पूछा आपसे।
ऐसा नहीं है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के पहले भी आप गेट में पढ़ाई करते हो, वहाँ हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन वैसे थे, वहाँ पे एक ही राजा नहीं राज करता था। और आप इवोल्यूशन में देख सकते हैं कि राजा वो अभी पिछले पिछले 2-3 सेंचुरी में एक नई तैयार हुई है। उसके पहले लोग एक मिलजुल कर रहते थे। ऐसे नहीं वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन होता तो वैसे नहीं। अब कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेरिका में है, इसलिए अब इंग्लैंड में भी रानी है अभी। वहाँ वहाँ तो इंडिया से पहले कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन तैयार किया था।
संविधान से सबको समान अधिकार मिलता है सर। संविधान से सबको,
अगर सब मिलजुल कर ही रहेंगे तो कौन आगे पीछे, ऐसा कोई नहीं रहेगा ना।
पर जो गरीब लोग है वो गरीब ही रहेंगे।
अगर अभी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के वजह से ये लोग गरीब और अमीर में बांट गए, उसके पहले ऐसा नहीं था कोई गरीब। इस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के वजह से लोगों को अपने हिसाब से जमीन मिल गई, का जॉब मिल गया। अगर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ही नहीं था तो सबको समान जगह जमीन थी, और उसके पहले ऐसा कोई कानूनी नहीं था कि उसे गवर्नमेंट की जगह है वो कोई उस पर राज नहीं कर सकता। अभी सब, उसके पहले सबके पास जो चाहे वो जमीन ले सकता था, इसलिए वहाँ गरीब श्रीमंत की ऐसा कोई भेद ही नहीं होता ना।
नहीं